she never snuggles with him.
Hello there.
Pete and Allie from Two Tiny Wings here with another video in our Disney planning series. And today we are going to be talking about whether or not you should add the Disney Memory Maker.
What the Memory Maker is a package that you can either pre-order or pay for at the time of your visit that includes all the photographs taken from the PhotoPass photographers all around Walt Disney World.
And as far as cost, if you pre-order before your trip, it's $169. And then if you order like during your trip, it is $199. And also, if you're considering whether or not to get an annual pass, it is included with an annual pass. So it's not something you have to worry about every single trip.
And so one of the first benefits that for us was really good, besides the fact that we ended up becoming annual pass holders and it was included in our passes anyway, was that it's really nice to always have that photographer there to take a picture of our whole family without one of us having to be out of the picture or trying to find someone to take a photograph. One of the biggest days was when we did our 4 parks in one day. And if you look there, we'll link a couple, the 2 videos from that day down below from our July trip. One of the things we wanted to get was a picture of all 4 of us in front of each one of the park icons. And so what was nice was we knew we'd be able to have a photographer. We could just go right up to them. They'd take the picture and they'd take a bunch of different photographs, and we know they would be well framed, and we'd have them, and we didn't have to, it was one thing we didn't have to worry about, which was really nice.
I think the second benefit to using PhotoPass photographers is that they have what's called magic shots. We got at least 2 of these on our last trip, and they digitally add certain elements to your picture. When we were in Animal Kingdom, we have a picture where all of a sudden Raj from The Jungle Book is in our picture. They also have sometimes on Main Street, you can get Tinkerbell in your picture. We also got one when we were leaving Epcot, and they'll just tell you like, okay, look up to your left and act like you're thinking. And then when you get the picture back, all of a sudden there's Figment. So it's neat little things like that that add to the PhotoPass experience. The other thing that some of the PhotoPass photographers will do is bring their own props. When we went to Toy Story Land, there was a wonderful, wonderful PhotoPass photographer there, and she had made her own little Forky. And so we have a picture of us with Forky on the trash can. So those are some benefits that you'll get with the PhotoPass photographers that you might not necessarily have if you're picking your own picture. One of the coolest ones that we got was when we were at Animal Kingdom, and we were in front of the Tree of Life, and the bird show was going on in the background as our own animal joins us. And we're just kind of standing there and we're smiling, and all of a sudden the PhotoPass photographer like really isn't taking a picture, and then all of a sudden he says, wait. And then as all of the parrots are like going back to their home, he starts click, 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 click. So we have a picture where there's parrots flying behind us. So that was so cool, and something that we never would have known to look for if it was just us. But a PhotoPass photographer, this is Luna, but a PhotoPass photographer knows what's going to happen, and so you could get these great shots.
One of the other big benefits is all the ride photos. And it's not just ride photos, but it's ride videos too. And they seem to be trying to get more of them that they're using them with. I mean, you can get just the regular ride photos. So we love getting those because there's a lot of times you can do kind of funny things, or you can pose or plan different stuff, and that's kind of fun sometimes. There's a couple of the rides that do have a video as well. I know Seven Dwarfs Mine Train has a video.
Tower of Terror
has a video.
And I'll put one in so you can see exactly what it is you're getting.
Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho. Hi ho, it's home from work we go. Hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho, hi ho.
In that kind of realm of the dynamic shot as well, one of the other really cool ones that they added is we've called it, I don't know what the official name is, we call it the zoomy shot. And what it is it's where they take a picture, and it's right in the hub of Magic Kingdom, and it starts where it's zoomed in on you, and then it zooms all the way out, so now you can see the entire hub and the whole castle, and then they zoom it back in. So it's kind of like almost like a GIF kind of picture of your family and the castle and back and forth. believe they did add a similar one at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
Yeah, it's
very,
like a
very
360
recently.
overhead.
And so there's some other, it looks like they're trying to add more of those kind of experience photography moments. So, and that those all tend to be included in your memory maker wherever there's a PhotoPass photography, which is really kind of cool.
And what I love about it is, even if we didn't have annual passes, it was something that we were going to get and will get if we don't renew our passes. It's great to always have that opportunity there to get all of these pictures taken. And it's just one more thing that we don't have to worry about. And you can come home with hundreds and hundreds of pictures.
And one of the things that again, we didn't do it because we knew the number of times we were going to be visiting, that the annual pass made sense for all of us. But I know that one of the things that I have heard a lot of people sometimes do is if they've got a family, they may have one person that goes ahead, hello. They may have one person that they actually get the annual pass for, so that they can not only get all of the discount benefits of it, but as long as one person in your party has that memory maker included on their pass, you get all the photos no matter what. So it's a way to kind of manage and think about your expenses.
She never snuggles with him,
No.
like ever.
So now she wants nothing but my attention. Hello, Luna.
So I think Luna would even agree. It's a really good option for your family if you want to come home with a ton of pictures that you could choose from. We think it's worth it, and hopefully we've put enough examples of what you get from a PhotoPass that you can decide if it's worth it for your family as well. If you have any questions or comments, if you've used PhotoPass, if you like it, have any additional hints that we might not have thought about in this video, definitely leave a comment down below. Like this video, subscribe to our channel to see more of our adventures in our upcoming trips. And with that,
we and Luna invite you to set your imaginations free.
bye.